Hidden deep inside Mogadishu's information ministry are thousands of audio recordings. The archive, created in 1951, contains tapes of famous poetry, songs and speeches, all carefully stored by Radio Mogadishu. The library has survived robbery, aerial bombings and fire. Abshir Hashi Ali, a lieutenant colonel in the Somali police, has been protecting its contents for 16 years.
One day, gunmen demanded my keys. I refused, so they beat me badly and threatened to kill me. I made a promise to protect the nation's property.
But up to half of the archive went missing during the war. The remaining tapes are rotting because of the heat and dust. The Somali government has donated one computer to digitize the recordings. The speech being transferred here was broadcast the day former President Abdi Rashid Ali Sharmake was assassinated in 1969. The process is slow.
We need to teach our younger generation the historical importance of their own country. The people behind the poetry, the songs and broadcasts have passed away. We need to keep them alive through the recordings.
There is also a unique collection of photographs here, dating back to President Siad Barre. Barre took control of Somalia in 1969 in what was a military coup. This picture was taken at a square known as Tarabunka. And this is Tarabunka today, the former parade stand reduced to rubble. The square is now surrounded by a camp for the displaced. There is not much left of the city once known as the Pearl of Africa. When you go around Mogadishu, you get hints of how beautiful a city it used to be. This cathedral was built by the Italians in the 1920s. The last bishop to take mass here was killed in 1989, and the building, as you can see, was destroyed in the war. Somalis are now appealing to the UN's cultural agency, UNESCO, to help them save these voices from the past before they too disappear. Nazanin Bashiri, Al Jazeera, Mogadishu.